In distressed securities investing, the main point of doing it is looking for market inefficiency. You capitalize on that by patiently looking at those situations, considering a purchase of those securities when there are more forced sellers than there are buyers. You have to be an expert at valuation, and that's, I think, one place where we really excel. Over the years, there have been lots of different industries and sectors that restructured. During the 2008-2010 credit crisis, almost every industry in the US saw change and restructuring because there was so much debt prevalent in almost every industry. The most important thing you need for distress is excessive debt. And lately in the oil and gas space, you've had a record amount of junk debt issued into that market. In fact, energy firms represent about 20% of the entire high-yield bond market. That's a big number these days. In the energy space alone, it's about $285 billion worth of debt that's been issued. By many estimates these days, about $50 billion of that is already trading at distressed levels because of a dramatic reset in the commodity price, not just for oil, but also for natural gas. We tend to focus on the US, but we have the flexibility of making investments in other places as well. In Puerto Rico, there's an interesting opportunity developing right now in distressed Puerto Rican real estate. That market, on both the commercial and residential side, is reaching extreme distress levels because of excessive debt, troubled economy in general. Searching for opportunities in certain markets where you're already starting to see distress is an important part of what we do. On a day-to-day basis, we find ideas both internally from different members of the team as well as from outside sources. We have a database of over 4,000 companies that are in and around distress. That's a fertile ground for finding new opportunities. In addition, we have important risk guidelines, an investment committee approach, and infrastructure that helps guide us in the direction of finding good ideas.